If Adobe Premiere Pro is showing the error waiting for frame to be rendered, timed out, don't worry, this is a very common issue, and in most cases it comes down to GPU acceleration, a bad media cache, a problematic clip, or an effect that is too heavy for your current system setup. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the best fixes step by step so you can get back to editing and exporting without wasting hours guessing what went wrong. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Premiere Pro fixes, editing tips, and beginner-friendly tutorials. Let's start with the first and most important fix. Open Premiere Pro, then go to File, Project Settings, and click General. Here you'll see the renderer option. If it is currently set to Mercury Playback Engine GPU acceleration, switch it to Mercury Playback Engine software only. This forces Premiere Pro to use your CPU instead of your graphics card, which can instantly solve frame rendering errors caused by GPU acceleration problems. After switching it, click OK and try your export or timeline playback again. In many cases, this alone fixes the issue. If the error is still there, the next step is to clear your media cache. Go to Edit, then Preferences, then Media Cache on Windows. On Mac, go to Premiere Pro, Preferences, Media Caches. Inside this menu, you'll see an option to delete unused media cache files. Click that and confirm the cleanup. Media cache files can become corrupted or overloaded over time, and that can absolutely trigger rendering errors, especially when you're working with heavy timelines or large projects. Once the cache is cleared, restart Premiere Pro and test the sequence again. Now let's check your graphics drivers. If you are using an NVIDIA card, Adobe recommends the Studio driver for editing stability rather than just the newest gaming driver. If you're on AMD, make sure your drivers are fully up to date as well. Outdated or unstable GPU drivers are one of the biggest reasons Premiere Pro throws frame rendering, timed out errors during effects processing or export. So visit your GPU manufacturer's official website, download the latest recommended driver, install it, restart your computer, and then reopen Premiere Pro. Next, if the error appears when exporting, open the export window and look for the video encoding performance setting. If it is set to hardware encoding, change it to software encoding. Hardware encoding is faster, but if your GPU is struggling, software encoding can be much more reliable. This is especially useful when you're exporting high-resolution timelines, using complex transitions, or working with multiple effects. After switching to software encoding, run the export again and see if the problem is gone. If Premiere Pro is still failing, it's time to identify the problem clip. A great way to do this is to render or export your project in sections. Split the timeline into smaller parts and test each section one by one. If one specific section keeps failing, there is a good chance that one clip in that area is corrupted, unsupported, or just too demanding for Premiere Pro to process normally. Once you find the problem clip, try moving it to a new layer, replacing it with a cleaner version, or re-encoding it in a different format before adding it back to the project. Another major fix is to disable GPU-intensive effects temporarily. Effects like warp stabilizer, detailed contrast, heavy lumetri color corrections, certain blur effects, and other advanced plugins can cause frame rendering timeouts when Premiere Pro struggles to process them in real time. To test this, go through your timeline and turn off these effects one by one, then try rendering or exporting again. If the problem disappears after disabling one effect, you've found the cause. You can then reduce the effect intensity, shorten the affected section, or pre-render that part of the sequence. You should also check your sequence preview settings. Go to Sequence, then Sequence Settings, and look at Video Previews. Try changing the preview format to QuickTime if that option is available in your setup. Sometimes the current preview settings can contribute to rendering issues, especially in high compression or mixed format timelines. Adjusting preview settings can make Premiere Pro handle playback and rendering more smoothly. And here's another very important thing to check: your frame rates. If you are editing variable frame rate footage, commonly recorded from phones, screen recorders, or some webcams, Premiere Pro may struggle and throw rendering failures. VFR footage is one of the most common hidden causes of frame timed out errors. The best solution is to convert that footage to constant frame rate before editing. You can do that with a trusted converter or by re-encoding the file into a more editing-friendly format. Once the footage is constant frame rate, re-import it into Premiere Pro and test again. So to quickly recap, if you see the waiting for frame to be rendered, timed out error in Premiere Pro, try switching to software only, clearing media cache, updating your GPU drivers, changing export encoding to software encoding, finding the problematic clip, disabling heavy effects, adjusting preview settings, and checking for variable frame rate footage. These steps solve the majority of cases and can save you a lot of frustration. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more Premiere Pro troubleshooting tutorials, and let me know in the comments which fix worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.